whole family today. The Stanley Fatmax 18 volt hammer drill and 18 volt impact driver. I'm going to open it with the Stanley Fatmax knife. How cool is that? So this is a package deal. I've got a 18 volt hammer drill and an 18 volt impact driver, and it comes with this soft case. This was £99.50 from Homebase. It's currently half price sale, which is pretty good. Let's get it opened. So that's the deal. Single charger, two 2 amp hour lithium ion batteries, your impact driver and your hammer drill, and the soft case. That's the package, £99.50, considering that one of these batteries is £50 currently from Homebase. Probably a little bit cheaper online if you look about, but even so, 2 of those should be 100 quid if you buy them from the shops. This is about 40-50 quid each, and these are about 40-50 quid each. So as a package deal with a soft bag, it's pretty good. So the Stanley Fatmax V20 18 volt cordless combi drill and impact driver, which comes with the two 2 amp hour lithium ion batteries and the single battery charger, so you've got to do one at a time. This is, at time of filming, Homebase, £99.50 for this package. The hammer drill is 1000 RPM and 50 Nm of torque, so 1500 RPM is revs per minute, 50 Nm is Newton meters of torque, i.e. the higher the number, the more force you've got. You want more, higher is better. The impact driver is 2800 RPM and 3100 BP, which is beats per minute or blows per minute power, and 165 Newton meters of power. It's got a 2-year guarantee and includes the 2 batteries within that warranty. They're nice. So my thoughts overall: good quality, good value for money. £99.50 for all of this, including the soft carry case, is pretty good. You can't go wrong with that, really, can you? And with 2 years of warranty, you're stellar for 2 years. Yeah, cool.